Hello, ahora ahí. ¿Cómo está? ¿Está bien? Okay. Tengo mucha alegría. Okay. So I'll say that, how are you? I'm well. I'm very happy to see you in here for another session, Spanish session. And this is our sixth session. So I'm glad to have you in here. And I hope the Spanish journey is just taking you, uh, just the way to should take you. Yes, so I'll be your lecturer for today or your instructor for today, of course, and this is TGV Education. Yes. So today we'll be looking a little bit about how to ask some common question, like why, how, who, when, simple question. So like we'll be looking at that and how you can respond to like a simple question studies. And what else? So I'm glad and I'm very happy even to see you in here. So I'll just jump into this. And also before I jump to that, so if you just found this video and you're not very sure, okay, so just go back and look at the playlist, the Spanish playlist. We have other 5 sessions that we have already done. So you can pass through them, just brush a little bit through them, and you can get catch up with everything. And if this is what you really need, so I hope I'll be of your service, yes, and help you go through this. Yes, so before we start, as usual, so we start with the greeting, which is very important. So this one, we always say that, we just want to get a little bit of exposure in the language and get to know this. And I'll just introduce myself, okay? And once I introduce myself, so we have the translation there and you can check it out, okay? So I'll say, hola, me llamo Amuel, tengo 28 años, soy de la ciudad Mombasa, Kenia, trabajo como un experto de sistema de impresión, disfruto correr, nadar y escuchar música. Mucho gusto. Okay. So I know that I'm adding some other stuff that is not there, but if you've seen the previous sessions, I think that should not be very difficult for you to understand because we have already deciphered the numbers, we have deciphered some other words that I'm saying in here, and I think it will be just good for you. Yes, let's get into the session. Okay. And today we have very good, amazing words. What, who, when, where, why, how, and how much or how many. Yes, very good. Like words to ask questions. So, and if you think I left some other most common like phrases of asking questions, you can always put them in the chat. Yes, chat below. And yeah, and also you can also ask questions. If I speak very quickly, you can always ask questions. If you do not understand something, you can always pause and divide it. So, anyways, don't worry about my shenanigans and my okay. So I'll just say them. So we have care. Care is what? We also have quién or quiénes, who. We have cuándo, when, dónde, where, por qué, why, and also por qué. Like for example, por qué can also, when it's put together, it can be used to say because, like giving a reason, like for those who speak Swahili, when you say kwa nini, and somebody tells you kwa sababu. So now kwa sababu, like that, you can also use porque, because of no, yes. So you tell somebody like this, yes, when porque is together. So this one is porque, like two small ones, meaning why, porque. But if I put it together, it means because, but same pronunciation, same everything. Yes, we just have to listen to the context of the sentences. Then also we have como, how, and also we have cuánto or cuánta, okay? Then also we have cuántos or cuántas, okay? Yes, so how much, how many, they are interchangeably, so in Spanish. So like, for example, we have some sentences which I can use to say the same phrases. So this is like, if I think when we got to start, you are asking like people, what is your name? You know, where do you live? This kind of question. So this is like a way to get to see how we use them. So for example, somebody can ask you, ¿Qué haces? You know, what are you doing? Then also somebody can ask you, ¿Cuándo llega el tren? So when does the train arrive? Okay. Then also we have, ¿Quiénes son tus amigas? ¿Quiénes son tus amigas? So, who are your friends? Then also we have, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Okay. Then, ¿cuánto cuesta ese? Or ¿cuánto cuesta este libro? Okay. How much does this book cost? Okay. So we can see that cuánto is there. We have cómo, quién, cuándo, and qué. Okay. So these are just a few, and you can also put a few sentences using por qué or donde, you know, like the phrases that we do not use already. So, yes, we good? Excellent. Okay, okay, okay. So, affirmative responses, these are like positive responses, okay, to like most of the questions. So these are like some most common like questions, you know, like somebody like you can say sí, yes. So sí, it's like yes. So for example, we have a question, ¿hablas español? Then you can say sí, hablo español. Yes, I speak Spanish. Then also the second response that you can find, okay, we have claro, of course, okay. Then somebody can ask you, ¿puedo ayudarte? Can you help? Can I help you? Then you can be like, claro, of course. Okay. Then the other one, we also have another, of course, por supuesto. Okay. Somebody can ask, ¿Quieres más café? Then you can say, oh, por supuesto, of course. Then another one, estoy de acuerdo. Estoy de acuerdo. So somebody can ask you, creo que es una buena idea. Then you can say, estoy de acuerdo. Yes, I agree. So I would say these are like some of the most common positive, you know, affirmative. There's a positive, affirmative responses that you can get. Of course, there's more, and also there's more to that. So you can also say like see and na, and put like a sentence, you know, somebody is asking you something, you know, like somebody asks you, like, you know, do you want more food? You can be like, yes, of course. Yeah, I agree, you know, something like this. Yes. So then also we have some negative responses. These are like when you don't know, when you don't like agree with the thing or something. Yeah. So somebody can ask you like something and you can tell them no. Okay. So for example, tienes hambre? Are you hungry? Then you can be like, no, gracias. No, thank you. Okay. Then also somebody can tell you, when you ask them something, they can tell you, no. Okay. So the, the verb to know, it's saber, saber. Okay. Saber. Okay. So you say, when you say no sé, so means I don't know. So for example, ¿Dónde está Juan? Where is Juan? So no sé, I don't know. Then another one, we have, it's lo siento. Lo siento means I'm sorry. So me equivoqué. Okay, me equivoqué. So lo siento, I'm sorry. Okay. So me equivoqué. Lo siento. Okay. You can say lo siento. Sorry. So then also we have something when you're expressing a little bit of doubt or you're not sure about what you're saying. Okay. So for example, we have vendrás a la fiesta. Then you can be like, quizá. Like for example, at the university, we are having a lot of at the moment. It's end of the semester, so a lot of people are very serious, like trying to finish up the university and do some other things. So somebody can ask you, will you come to my party? And you can be like, Kiza, maybe. Then also another one, somebody can be like, no estoy seguro o segura if you are reading. So, for example, el, cuando llegará el train? When will the train arrive? So you can say, no estoy seguro. I'm not sure. Okay. Yes. So these are like some phrases. Okay. Then we also have some polite responses. Okay. So these polite responses, you can say gracias, which is thank you. And also you can say de nada, you're welcome. So for example, for gracias, somebody can say, puedes pasarme razar. So I think this phrase we looked at it back in the somewhere. Puede pasarme razar. Okay, can you pass me the salt? So when you pass, you can be like, gracias. Okay. Then also we have de nada. So de nada means you're welcome. So somebody can say, gracias por ayudar. Thank you for your help. Then somebody can say, de nada. We together? Yeah, so if you don't understand any of this, you can always put something on like a comments or in the comment section, or if you're in the WhatsApp group, you can always ask the questions from there, okay? And if you are seeing this much later, you can always ask the questions in the comment section, okay? Yes, so I know that I'm talking like sometimes very fast, but yeah, I hope you are getting a gist of this, yes. Yes, so now we have a short story about two people, Natalia and Juan, okay? So for me, I'll read maybe I'll read, what do I choose? So, okay, so I'll let you go first. So you can read Juan, then I'll read Natalia. So Juan is in green, Natalia is in yellow, okay? So you start and just read the Spanish part, so no need for the translation. Then we'll have the conversation so that at least you're able to practice with me together. Okay, so let's go. Hola, ¿cómo estás? También estoy bien. ¿Qué haces aquí en el parque? Estoy aquí para leer un libro. ¿Te gusta leer? Ajá, estoy leyendo 100 años de soledad. Es un clásico. Está siendo fascinante. Fascinante. Me encanta la historia y la forma en que está escrito. Sí, trato de venir cada semana. Es un buen lugar para relajarse. ¿Tú, tú vienes, seguro? Claro, será agradable. Sí, vamos. Okay, nice. So that was a very good conversation. So you can always pause in between, and you can try even like finding a friend, and you can get together. Or if you're watching this, we can practice in the group, okay? And we can send voice notes to each other if it's okay with you. But also, if you come across this, it's nice, okay? So I hope you did enjoy the session, and this marks the end of our short session. So I hope you have a great time. So whenever you're seeing this, And also don't forget to subscribe to TGB Education for more. And also you're always welcome to come and learn Swahili, English, Spanish with us, okay? Here in TGB Education and some other cultural stuff, okay? So anyways, I'll say bye for now. Have a great time and peace.